In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the killer scalper, XAUUSD EA V1.40 MT4 on my FBS account for months. And zounds, it scalped my stake to plus 51.75% gains with the panache of a parodic pickpocket. A Telegram trickster touted it as the EA that slays pips like a serial scalper. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this killer conjurer of capital. The zip folder for the killer scalper. XAUUSD EA V1.40 MT4 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the ex4 file, set file, and a manual as terse as a taxman's tease. I ferried the ex4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the killer scalper, XAUUSD EA V1.40 MT4 to XAUUSDs. M1 Proscenium invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the killer scalper, XAUUSD EA V1.40 MT4 parades its plus 51.75%. Absolute gain escapade on FBS, ballooning $102.57 deposits into $0 balance after $297.95 happy cash outs with $195 profit. Daily 0.13% chuckles, monthly 14.2. 0% guffaws, equity curve of bemused ascent, lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 83%, meaning 1,833 of 2,204 trades winners, 803 longs at 81%, 1,043 shorts at 85%, way above the 60% benchmark for gold scalpers that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy 47.52 pips, $0.79 per pop, while losses are reined in at negative 203.55 pips. Negative $3.51 thanks to the killer scalper. XAUUSDEA V1.40 MT4's built-in trend strength and order execution logic that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips? 14,845. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD moves without overtrading. Drawdowns only 83.77% relative, but absolute under 12%. So even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor of 1.16 more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're edging ahead. Sharp Ratio's 0 shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings. And the Z-score of 99% against clustering proves it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions? Minus 88.08 on my broker. But even with fees, the expectancy of 6.7 pips per trade covers it easy. Average hold times 2 hours, 27 minutes for those M1 precision entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 50% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this killer scalper XAUUSD EA V1.40 MT4 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the killer scalper XAUUSD EA V1.40 MT4 on MT4 with ticks from September. 2025 data and solid numbers. Total net profit $1,500 on a $10,000 start. Gross profits $3,734, edging out losses of negative $2,234 for that clean edge. 18 trades total. Win rate 66.67% overall. Average trade netting positive with max drawdown 4.3% absolute. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So wrapping this up, If the killer Scalper XAUUSD V1.40 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it, hands on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting. Killer Scalper XAUUSD V1.40 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.